Are you impressed when you scroll over your TikTok feed and see how the content creators edit their videos? TikTok allows users to showcase their talents and unleash their creativity. To produce a breathtaking video, a great effort must be applied. And by undergoing an editing process like applying filters, adding text, background music, effects, and more, you can surely make an amazing one. You may think that video editing is complicated and time-consuming, but you can quickly make one with the proper video editor application. So we present to you the ACESIFT Video Converter Ultimate. This tool is a converter packed with numerous editing options to edit your video. With the help of this tool, your plain and simple video will transform into an amazing one. Undoubtedly, ACESIFT Video Converter Ultimate is the best TikTok video editor for you. To get this tool, visit our page, acesift.com, or click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to edit a fantastic TikTok video. To begin, open the tool you've downloaded. Click the plus icon on the tool's main interface or add files to add your video. Click the magic wand button to see the editing option you can use. You can apply the rotate and crop to change the position and remove the unwanted areas of your video. You can use effects and filters to add a fantastic touch to it. Also, you can apply a watermark if necessary. If your video does not yet have music, you can add background music to it and control the delay so that it will synchronize with your video. Once you finish editing, click the OK button to go back. If you want to improve the quality of your video, click the paint icon, and you may mark the choices whether to upscale the resolution, optimize brightness and contrast, remove noise, or reduce the shaking in your video. Mark them all if you want to apply them to your video. Then click the preview button to see the result. Once satisfied, click the Save button, then hit the Convert button. Wait for the process to be finished, and your TikTok video is now ready to upload. Aside from this, the tool offers other editing features to make your video more amazing. It has an NV feature with various themes you can apply. Also, there is a collage feature to help you make a duet video on TikTok. Lastly, this tool provides editing tools to enhance and solve video issues. This tool is an all-in-one video editor that will make your video breathtaking. Nowadays, TikTok is one of the popular social media platforms to showcase many amazing videos. So make an amazing one through ACESIFT Video Converter Ultimate. With superb editing tools, you can produce amazing TikTok videos. So what are you waiting for? Get ACESIFT Video Converter now. We hope this helps you. For more videos, visit our channel ACESIFT. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.